Y'all.
That's when the stars are falling. I'm not your knight in shining, but I still care for you.
Hey guys, it's Nora and welcome to my channel. Put you over here so you can see my face a little bit better. Today I'm going to New York with my mom. Just a little mother-daughter trip. So basically, every year, my mom and I, and my brother usually, we go to New York to visit my Nana because she lives in Manhattan. And we go around like Thanksgiving, we go see a Broadway show, and we go to Ellen Stardust, my favorite diner ever. But of course this year, COVID and everything, we couldn't go, blah, blah, blah. But now we're going because it's Memorial Day and I finally have time away from school when we can go. So originally yesterday, I was gonna film a packing vlog, but I actually didn't start packing until today just because I was like super busy last night. But here's my finished suitcase. And then this is another bag that I'm bringing. So I'm gonna show you what's in here really quickly before we gotta go. So this is my suitcase. In here we have a dust bag that has my Converse in it. And then I have a raincoat, some pants, and tops over here. This is my stuff for my hair. This is pajamas. That's pajamas. These are hair towels. I have some jewelry in this pocket. And then, well, I won't show you, underwear and like my eyelash curler and stuff. And then there's one other thing. Oh, under here we have my toiletries bag that I got from a gymnastics clinic in like 2019. And then I'll zip this up again actually. And here I have this backpack because, okay, this isn't my favorite. It's a little bit outdated, a little, what's the word? I hear it on TikTok. Chuggy, that's the word for this. It's a little bit chuggy in my opinion. It's a little bit 2016 Musically vibes, but it's from Target, so like I'm not gonna cry if it gets ruined. And then in here I have 1,000 chargers and a book, and then lens cover, and then there's some more camera stuff in here. And then the last thing I have to pack is my computer. I have some stuff downloading into Google Drive, so we're just gonna leave that open. It's 2:21, yeah, so I have like 10 minutes until we gotta leave. But we're gonna leave for the train station, and I will see you guys probably when we get there. I don't know if there will be anything interesting to film from now till when we get on the train, so I'll see you when we get there. Okay, bye.
Hey girl.
It's 3:26. You're really close to my face because there's a bunch of people around me and I don't want them to look at me. 3:26. I changed my lock screen. We have like 4 minutes until our train is supposed to get here. Why does this look like that? It's bothering me so much. Okay, we have like 4 minutes until our train gets here, and I realized I left my AirPods at home, but they won't even why are you looking at me? They won't even connect to my computer, so like it doesn't matter, but I have to buy earbuds now, so that's unfortunate, but I think that might be us, so I gotta go. Girl, stop coughing. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Got pizzas. We always get the pizza, or I always get the pizza. She just like cheese boxes, but no, the pizza's the best. It's like DiGiorno, and they just put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds, so it's like not high quality, but it tastes so good.
Preservatives. Yeah.
So I'm gonna eat this, and I'll be back later. We're almost there. 7:20. We're supposed to be off the train by like 7:30, I think. It's like 10 minutes. And then we'll be at Penn Station, and I think it's like probably 20-ish minutes to get to the hotel. But I'm excited. 7:20. Get me off the train. I'm so over it. I want to be there.
So let me share a secret. You're the reason for this feelings. And anytime you need me, baby, you know how to reach me. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. I already told ya, baby, when we're old.
It's so big in here.
It is beautiful.
Because usually the old one was like really ugly. It was falling apart.
It was dirty.
It was not the moment. It was not.
But they're revamping it now.
And there's like no one, I mean there's a lot of people here, but it's so much more open that you don't, the last one like you would feel like you were gonna like.
This is gorgeous.
I know.
Go ahead, New York. Represent.
Y'all are gonna flip when you see this view. So we booked the hotel, what, 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, something like
And it was like, oh, do you want to pay $17 just to make sure that you have like a higher chance to get your upgrade? And we walk into this hotel, there's like 10,000 people, I swear. I think that it was like a school or a sports team, like something. And they're all there standing. We're like, oh shoot, we're not getting the room we wanted. But no, we did. Look at this. Ah! Are you kidding me? Okay, well, there's the reflection. I'll show you it tomorrow, but you can see the water over there. The skyline. We got like, look, we're on the 44th floor.
All right, we good.
I think this is the best. How many times have we been to New York? She lived here.
Back in the day, but
And I've been here, what, like 12 times probably?
well, everything's here for years, Nora.
I think this is the best view I've ever had.
It's Gucci.
And, you know, I'm content with it.
Okay,
I'm content. Because usually we get like the street or like the water towers, and I'm like, no. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay,
Okay, better.
Keep going.
Okay. I can't look in there though, right?
I mean, you can, but try to look in the
Okay.
lens just so that
Hi.
you don't look cross-eyed.
So we were on the Amtrak and we got these DiGiorno pizzas.
So good.
So good.
You saw them.
That's what we do. And I just held on to the boxes, right? And figured, okay, in a while I'll get up and I'll throw it away. But then boom, this lady comes down with a
trash
big
bag.
old trash bag.
Like
big
on the
trash bag.
airplane, you know, they're like,
The
trash.
big, yeah. So I pick up my 2 pizza boxes and she was like, my grandma, she's like, really? There's a trash can right there. And I was like, I'm sorry, Grandma.
Like, girl.
Girl, like, you're carrying a trash bag. Why don't you reprimand somebody else? She made me feel bad about myself.
I was like, okay. Ooh, girl, it's 77 degrees up in here. Can I put on like what, 72?
yeah, girl, drop it down. Drop it like
Where, how?
Okay, yeah.
I'll keep it there because it'll blast the AC. Wish there was no glare. Hold on, can you shut off the light?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. Y'all, you can see it so much better.
Love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going. Everybody knows that every single moment we are matching signs, and we blur the lines as hard as we tried. Well, we couldn't fight it, you know. The angels cried out for you and I when we knew it was right. We are.
Look at over there, you can literally see so far into the distance. It's amazing. Okay, let's turn the lights back on. Shower. You want to show them what we unpacked? So we didn't want it to rot, so we brought a mango and 2 bananas, and these bananas are beat up from my bag.
Yeah, but they do.
But we unpacked all, unpacked? What? We unpacked all of our stuff into those. We like never unpack, but we did today. That's charging. The chargers are so messed up, but it's fine. And then we have some stuff in the closet. Here. Wow, those are just like our jackets. And then this is the bathroom. It's a lot later, 9:13. When did we get here? What, like 8?
I don't know.
I think there might be a little convenience store in here. Maybe not. But we're gonna go look for one. Let's go.
Wait, let me see.
Oh no. Yay, you can see us. I thought it wasn't gonna show us, but you can see us in the mirror. Yay, elevator. How many floors are in here? 55 floors. I feel so light.
Jump.
Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. We made it to the Oculus, my favorite mall in the whole entire world. This is my favorite mall for a reason, because it's, I just think I showed you what it looks like. It's so pretty in here. Isn't it insane? Last time we were here, it was all decorated for like Christmas.
Oh, we going the wrong way.
So we just finished walking in a circle.
Big circle.
Because we failed to realize that everything is probably closed. But we really just want to find like a convenience store. I just want like something to drink and like a really small snack. Y'all, we found it.
Working those
Walgreens. Yes, Miss Ma'am.
Working my glutes. 2 carefully.
This was all I wanted.
Red nose.
Yay, we made it. It's now 10:42. I'm going to bed right now. I showered. I ate. Last thing I filmed, we were at Walgreens. So it's been a while, but we're back. I'm tired. And the next time that I vlog, obviously it'll be tomorrow, but probably in a separate video. So, bye.